This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin inside Gmail. Open Settings via the gear icon and select See All Settings so you land directly where Signatures live. Once there, scroll to the Signature section and click the plus button to create a new signature profile. Name it clearly: personal, work, or project. This helps later when you manage multiple accounts. Make sure to choose the correct account in the top right if you use multiple Google accounts, and then move on to composing content. Now you compose the signature. Type your name, title, company, phone, and one link like a website or LinkedIn. Use the formatting toolbar to bold key info, insert a clickable URL, add an image or logo, and insert a horizontal line to separate from email body. These choices affect readability and branding. Once done, check desktop and mobile previews. Make sure fonts and line breaks look good on small screens, because many recipients read mail on phones. Finish by assigning this signature as the default for new emails, and for replies or forwards, if you want it always attached, then scroll to the bottom and click Save Changes so Gmail applies it. Once saved, compose a test email to yourself and verify links open and images display. If images fail to load, make sure they're hosted on a public server or use smaller file sizes. And if the wrong signature appears, confirm you're using the correct Google account and default.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.